In this video, we're going to walk through how to create a new contact inside of Monolith. To get started, I've come into the Contacts section, which can be accessed from the left-hand sidebar under the People tab and by clicking Contacts. And in the context of Monolith, a contact is just someone that can be that is related to an evidence item or a particular case. So this could be, for example, a witness's phone that you have to examine, or perhaps an attorney you're working with on a particular case. That is what contacts are for inside of Monolith. So to add a new contact from the contacts page, I'm going to click this Add New Contact button here at the top left, and that's going to open up our Create Contact modal. So I'm just going to enter in some info here. Let's do Bumblebee Man. Let's just say he's an employee. And we can add their organization, KTLA. If you have the contact's email, you can enter that here. .man@gmail.com. And we can enter in the phone numbers, office and mobile if we have them. Oh, correct syntax is perhaps important. And then if you have a unique ID for this contact, so like an employee identification number or something like that, you can add that as well. I'm just going to go ahead and skip that for now. And here we can select the contact type. So from this drop down, I'm just going to select employee. And if we have any notes about this contact, we can add that as well. This is a contact note. Below here, if we have a mailing address for this contact, we can add that as well. So that'll just keep track of the mailing address for you inside of Monolith. And then if you also end up printing contact labels, that will allow you to print the mailing address on the label as well. And if you have any custom contact fields set up inside of your Monolith, you'll be able to see those here as well. I'm going to go ahead and leave those unselected for now and click Create Contact. Okay, so Monolith has created my contact. Oop. All right, so here's the contact I just created. And if we want to look at the details, we can click in and we can see all the details that I just filled out, as well as once this contact's associated to any cases or evidence items or acquisitions, we'll be able to see that here as well. There's a couple of other places you can also create a contact. So I'm going to click over into one of my other tabs here. So this is the Create Evidence screen. You'll probably recognize this modal as the modal that pops up when you enter in new evidence items in Monolith. As you can see here, we have a linked contact field. So from here, if the contact's already created, we can select them from here. But also, if we need to create a new contact while we're entering in this evidence item, we can click this Create New Contact button here. And that's going to open up a flyout version of the form we just filled out, so that you can create the contact and add it while you're adding that particular evidence item. And then the last place we can create a contact is within a case itself. So this is one of my example cases here, and I've come into the Contacts tab in the top menu. And you can see here all the contacts already associated with this case, but if I needed to add a new contact specifically to the case, we can create a new contact using this button here at the top left as well. And that is how to create a contact inside of Monolith. Thanks for watching.